In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to 3D rotate an image in Adobe Photoshop. This is a quick and easy technique to give your images a dynamic spin, quite literally. Whether you're enhancing a presentation or creating a graphic design project, learning this skill will surely add an extra layer of creativity to your work. First, let's open Adobe Photoshop. It's the powerhouse of design tools with an array of options that might look overwhelming at first glance. But don't worry, we're here to simplify it. Once you have Photoshop up and running, we'll start by adding your image to the workspace. Simply drag and drop your chosen image into the Photoshop window or use the Open function under the File menu to select it from your files. This is your primary image, and we'll be working on it to create that 3D effect. Now let's add a second image. This is going to be your 3D image overlay. To do this, repeat the previous step, drag and drop, or open it through the File menu. The reason we're using a second image is to layer it onto the primary image, which gives us the base to manipulate and create a 3D rotation. With your second image added, it's time to select it for adjustment. Click on the second image layer in your Layers panel to ensure it's the active layer. This step is crucial because any adjustments we make need to be applied directly to this image. On a Windows machine, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+T or Command+T on a Mac to transform the image. From there, navigate to Edit and select Perspective Warp. This tool is essential for 3D manipulations because it allows you to change the perspective of the image, effectively giving it a 3D appearance. Now, you're in the driver's seat, adjust the image to your liking. Move the corners, change the angles, and find the perspective that best fits your project. Remember, the goal is to create a realistic 3D rotation. So take your time experimenting with the angles. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, it's time to secure your progress. Navigate to the File menu and click Save. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S to instantly save your changes. This is a key step to ensure your work is not lost and is ready to be shared or further edited. And there you have it. Your image has been successfully 3D rotated. This simple yet effective technique can add a dynamic edge to your projects, making them more engaging and professional. Practice these steps a few times, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Photoshop.